When I first shifted to Mumbai, I expected myself to adjust through the traffics, through trains, through the constant rushing between places, and a lot of people. But what I did not expect was to learn so much more about people, about expectations, about love, and honestly about myself. So today we are going to talk about what I have learned from the people of Mumbai and Mumbai over the 3 years that I've lived in Mumbai. So let's get to it. In my first year of college, very first few days, me and my friend went to the canteen and we were coming ऊपर and I just bent down to tie my shoelace. मेरी shoelace खुल गई थी तो मैं just नीचे से देखी and I was tying my shoelace. As soon as I was up and I was like, she's gone. Where is she? मुझे दिख नहीं रही थी वो. I couldn't find her and I searched here and there for a little while and I went to the washroom as well कि कहाँ गई, is she there? She was not there. I went to the class. I saw her sitting in the class. I asked her कि अरे भाई कहाँ चली गई थी तू? And she said casually, तेरी अटेंडेंस जैसे आज चली गई वैसे मेरी भी चली जाती. So I came up and I was like, boom, okay. And that was my first lesson. Self prioritization is so important. People of Mumbai dare to choose themselves. They don't care. They know that life moves on with or without someone. Life is going to go ahead. Nobody is going to wait for you. So why wait for someone else? You know you're there, you're gonna be there for themselves. Life goes on with or without you. It's you who has to choose themselves. Nobody else. Choose yourself. That was my first lesson. Because nobody else is gonna choose you, right? Second thing, don't waste your time on stupid things. I have seen people fighting like crazy, मतलब कुत्ते बिल्लियों की तरह लड़ते हैं in trains, in metros, in buses. But जैसे उनका stop आता है, they just stop fighting. Everything gone. कुछ no grudges, nothing else. Because they know that time is valuable. They don't have to put that much effort into the stupid little fight की धक्का मत दे वगैरह. इसमें उनको झगड़ा नहीं करना. उनका time इतना important है कि they don't want to put their time into such stupid things and petty little things. मेरी city में people hold grudge even if, yeah, in my hometown people hold grudges. They are like little cheese ko, छोटी सी cheese ko, they'll fight for hours. They don't value that time. People in Mumbai value their time. Their time is more important than those stupid little fights. Choosing yourself. Many people say that people of Mumbai don't work well in relationships or they don't do good in friendships because they choose themselves. They know कि उनको कहाँ रहना है, कहाँ उनके respect है, कहाँ उनका value है. They know their worth. They know it enough to walk away from people who don't value their worth, who don't value their time, who don't respect their space. And that's just so beautiful because they don't dwell upon what if शायद ये future में change हो जाएगा. The potential. They don't invest in the potential. They invest in the reality. अगर उनको कुछ सामने दिख रहा है that this person is good. If they think that even a little bit कि ये इंसान is not adding up to my value or this person might be good, जब अच्छा होगा तब कर लेंगे बात. अभी तो अच्छा नहीं है ना. So that's why they'll just not put up with that situation. They choose themselves rather than thinking about कि आगे जाके शायद अच्छा हो जाएगा या फ्यूचर में शायद ये इंसान बदल जाएगा. No, living in the reality matters to them. They know how to say no without feeling guilty about saying no. So basically मैं जब इंसान लोगों को पूछती थी कि तू मेरी हेल्प कर देगा and they would say no, I used to get very upset कि भाई ये इंसान ने मुझे मना कैसे कर दिया मतलब. And they would be like कि अरे मेरा भी काम है ना. Yeah, exactly, उनका भी काम था. But I was like a person कि नहीं, मेरा काम है फिर भी मैं आगे बढ़ के अपनी बाउंड्रीज क्रॉस करके किसी इंसान को हेल्प करूँगी. बट देन एट द एंड ऑफ द डे द एंड रिजल्ट विल बी रिजेंटमेंट कि मुझे किसी इंसान के लिए इतना कुछ करना पड़ रहा है एंड देन आई जस्ट कीप एक्सपेक्टिंग कि सामने वाला भी मेरे लिए वो करे. नो, व्हाई वुड समवन डू दैट? I am pushing my boundaries for them. They wouldn't. They have their own boundaries and that's so cool. Have your boundaries, not feel guilty about it. Saying no without having the guilt about saying no. That's the craziest thing I learned, that it's okay to say no, that it's okay to choose yourself, that it's okay to just let go of some parties because you want to study or let go of some plans because you just want to lie in your bed and sleep for hours. Yeah, that's okay, that's cool. You don't have to over explain every no. It's okay to say no. Meeting myself. That is one of the most important things that I learned in Mumbai. It has such a huge population, but I still sometimes felt so alone in the trains while walking down the road. A lot of people were walking, but I would still find myself alone. And that's when I came face to face with myself. I did not have a lot of friends, but I had me. That's all I ever wanted. I used to talk to myself. I used to write poems about me, what I was feeling, and everything. And I just went into the self awareness mode where I was getting to know myself better, what my needs are, what I want in my life, getting clarification of thoughts, and sitting with my thoughts, not loving myself more, because I was knowing myself more. And when you get to know yourself, you'll start loving yourself. So the first step of loving yourself is to just know who are you, and just love that part of you, because you know you're lovable, right? So Mumbai made me feel that. Mumbai led me to knowing myself more, and that eventually helped me love myself more. Yeah. So these are the five things that I learned from Mumbai, and honestly, it will be with me throughout my life, and wherever I go, किसी भी मैं सिटी में जाऊंगी, ये हमेशा, ये पांच चीज़ें हमेशा मेरे साथ रहेगी, एंड आई जस्ट होप कि वो हमेशा रहे, बिकॉज इट्स सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स जो मुझे मुंबई ने सिखाई, वो बहुत ज़रूरी थी मेरे लिए. इट वॉज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर मी टू ग्रो, फॉर मी टू ग्लो, एंड ऑफकोर्स टू स्टार्ट दिस यूट्यूब चैनल, बिकॉज if I did not love myself enough, I wouldn't have started this channel, of course, and being, active on this channel. So yeah, if you like this video, please like, do share your comments, and tell me ki tumhari city, yeah, Mumbai, if you are from Mumbai, what has that taught you, and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, and would like to know more about me, about life, about cities, about studies. A lot of things are coming on the way. So yeah, subscribe, like, share, comment, and bye. Toodles.